So in PCI 4.0, it is now a requirement that you have a web application firewall protecting your web applications. This was a best practice previously, and pretty much every organization did it. So it's great to see that it being enshrined in one of the requirements. But you can actually go way further than just having a WAF. You need to make sure that you're getting the most out of that WAF. Part of that is through management and tuning, but also part of that is seeing what other PCI requirements it can address. So for example, in the Fortra WAF, 6.4.3 and 11.6.1 can also be addressed via web application firewall. Now, some organizations might go out there and buy the easiest WAF to deploy and sit it in front of the web applications and rest assured knowing that they are compliant. Better organizations will look to configure that WAF to deliver the best possible protections for the web application. The website is where your customers interact with. It's a gateway into your organization. So it's not only protecting you and your organization, but it's also protecting the customers who use that web application. So WAF for me is an area where I can see a lot of improvement for organizations. They can go further. It isn't a point in time exercise. Threats evolve, your web stack will evolve. So every time you're making a new development on your side, you need to go and take a fresh look at those configurations within the WAF. Or if there's a shift in the threat landscape, you need to make sure that your policies are able to address that new threat. And this can be challenging. This is really a full-time job for security teams in order to manage web application firewalls, particularly for the larger organizations with many different types of applications that are constantly in a state of flux. So turning to an organization who specializes in managed web application firewalls can be a great easy win for you to make sure that you have the best possible preventative control for your most exposed asset, your website and APIs, and that it's doing the absolute best that it possibly can in that circumstance. So you're not just buying a Ferrari and leaving it sit on the driveway and gather dust. You're actually getting that Ferrari tuned and ready so that it can go around the track at 1,000,000 miles an hour every single day for you. Fortra's managed WAF not only has leading PCI security controls, but it also comes with a team of web security experts who continuously optimize your security profiles, keeping the threat actors out while allowing your customers unhindered access to purchase goods and services. Whether you're looking to meet compliance standards like PCI 4.0 or just accelerate your security maturity journey, Fortra can help. Visit fortra.com to find out more.